Yep. All right, here we go. My name is Mr. Scheuerman. I hope you're all listening. We're going to go over our exit ticket that we did last week. It's a simple equation that we're going to solve for x, but we need to simplify things on both sides first. So let's first write it out. We got 2x plus 5 minus 4x equals 15 minus 6x minus 2. Okay, first of all, here's what we're going to want to do. We're going to want to simplify both sides, okay? We have like terms on this side as well as like terms on this side. So let's look at this. What can we do here? We've got a 5, we've got 2x and negative 4x. Well, why don't we combine these two terms, 2x and 4x, okay? So what is 2x minus 4x? Well, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. So 2x minus 4x would be negative 2x. So on this side, we're going to end up with 5 minus 2x equals, and on this side, we can combine 15 and 2. 6x is the only like term like that on this side. 15 minus 2 is 13, so we can simplify it to 13 minus 6x. Okay, now what do we do next? We want to solve for x. So we'll leave negative 2x over here. Let's subtract 5 from here and put it over here. Or we could actually subtract 13 from here and 13 from here. So either way we do it, we're going to come up with the same answer because we're going to do the same thing on both sides. That's what works with an equation. If I subtract 5 here, I need to subtract 5 on this side also. So let's do it that way. Let's subtract 5 from each side. So we're going to end up with minus 5. We're going to go like this to kind of keep our both sides separate. So minus 5. So we're going to end up with 0 minus 2x. So that's going to just cancel out. Minus 5 over here. So that's going to be 8 minus 6x. Okay? So we've got negative 2x equals, we'll put that there, equals 8 minus 6x. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's leave our x over here. We'll leave this here. Let's add 6x to both sides. If I add 6x to negative 6x, that's going to leave me 0. So I'll end up with 8 on this side. So let's add 6x plus 6x. All right, so we get, that's going to be 0. So we have 8 equals 2x, negative 2x plus 6x is what? 4x. So now we have 4x, oops, 4x equals 8. So now what do we want to do on both sides? We want to get x by itself. So if we divide each side by 4, wouldn't that put x over here by itself? So divided by 4 equals 1. So that's going to leave me with x equals, divided by 4 equals 2, x equals 2. Now just to check it out again, let's put 2 into our original equation. All right? So let me show you here. We'll go x equals 2. So we're going to have 2, oops, be a little neater than that. 2 times 2. We're going to put 2 in for everywhere that x is. Plus 5 minus 4 times 2 equals 15 minus 6 times 2 minus 2. Okay? Does that make sense? We substituted x equals 2. We substituted 2 in here, 2 in here, and 2 in here. Okay, so we have 4 plus 5 minus 8 equals 15 minus 6 times 2 is 12 minus 2. Okay, let's just figure it out. 4 plus 5 is 9, minus 8 would be 1. Well, we'll just go like this. 9 minus 8 equals 15 minus 12 would be 3 minus 2. We just did 15 minus 12 is that, 3 minus 2. So we ended up with 1 equals 1. So we know that we solved the original equation properly. All right? We'll go over our next exit ticket on Wednesday. Thank you.